What is going on YouTube? My name is Broteen and I'm going to keep this video short and simple, and I'm going to tell you how you can make a website with your merchandise for absolutely free using a website called Big Cartel. Now you're going to look at all these other YouTube videos and they're going to be talking about Shopify and Teespring, but Shopify costs some money, and Teespring, I personally don't think it looks all that too nice. But with Big Cartel, it makes you a professional looking website that you can use for your YouTube channel or even to start your own business. The only two prerequisites are that you have a design in a PNG format to put on your merchandise, and you'll also need to link a PayPal or a credit card if you actually want to start selling and making money. Now, we're going to be using two websites today. The first one is bigcartel.com. And the other one is printful.com. Oh, that's print.com. Now, I'm going to go through the process with you guys and tell you what you should be doing. So we're going to go to Big Cartel first and just press open your store and then sign up for free. Now here you're able to choose multiple things. You have to sign in with your email address and make yourself a password, but you can also choose a URL to use. Now it's going to say bigcartel.com, but if you want to make it just a .com later, you can by buying a domain. So let's just fill in this information and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, now that we're done making this, we're going to click sign up. And it should say if you want to save the password. I'd say do that, and now you can start customizing your area, your little shop now. So what we can do is we can add a bunch of different things like a profile image, theme to customize, set up your checkout. So let's go ahead and do some of this. You've completed 10% of your shop setup. Let's add our first product. So here, what we can do is name the product whatever we want, and we're not going to add a photo quite yet. We're going to do that a little bit later. So I'm going to call this the protein tank top. Now you can do multiple things here, like you can make categories. So if I just click add and make categories, I can do tank tops. And then I can do shirts, hoodies, and go so on. Now I'm going to uncheck these since this is just a tank top. And price, you can set it to whatever you want. You can change it at any time too. I'm just going to set this to $19.99. Shipping, add shipping. Country, you can pick whatever. I'm just going to pick the United States. And you should search out shipping prices. I'm gonna just put a 5 there right now, and we'll see what it is later. And click save. And there you go. Now you have your first product. No photo yet, but we're gonna get to that in a second. Now we're gonna go to Printful and click start selling. Now what you're gonna do here is make another account for this. I'd recommend either use the same password for both of them. That's what I like to do. Or what you can do is you can just save your passwords, write them down somewhere, because you're going to need those. Now I'll come back when this is all signed up. Now right here, what you're going to do is it's going to ask a few questions to improve your experience. So what would you like to do with Printful? We can go and click grow my not grow our online business. Start my first e-commerce business. Finish. And this is what it should look like now. Now, I'm going to go confirm my email, and you're going to see what's after that. Okay, now actually we're going to skip this because for some reason it didn't send me the email. So what we're going to do is product templates. Create a product template. Now we're able to pick from a variety of different clothing items. As you can see, when we click here, it gives us a whole catalog. So for me, in my case, I'm going to search up tank tops. Now you're going to see a bunch of different types, bunch of different sizes. You can just pick the one that you like the most. You can choose different colors and the sizes over here. And this looks like a bestseller, so I'm going to click this one over here. And this is where you get to actually put your designs and where you want it. You could have it the front, the back, outside label, inside label. I wouldn't really recommend those. But here, if we go to choose file, this is where the PNG is going to come in handy. Click upload, I understand, accept, and then you can go and find the photo that you want to use. So in my case, I'm just going to use this. And then you click choose. And here you go. Here's your little thing. And it's going to tell you in the left how big it is and how the DPI is looking. The DPI is basically how the image quality is. See how if I expand it, the DPI goes down and it doesn't look as good. But if I shrink it, DPI goes up. Now, if you want to put something on the top right or top left, what I recommend doing is using these, because if you place it anywhere, it might be outside, so it won't print the whole thing. So let's say I want to do the top right. I go here, click top, locks to the very top, and then right, it locks to the top right, and now everything is showing. So that's all I want to put here. And now we can go to continue, or actually we go back. We can choose how many colors we want by going to product. Now it's gonna give us a preview of all these different colors, and we can just see which ones we like. So I like this one. I don't like that one. Yeah, I like that one. A little too dark. Navy, alright, alright. And black, yes. So now you can see all the different previews of all the different tank tops. Click continue. Add sizes. This is very important. So you can choose, for this one is from extra small to double XL. I'm just going to choose select all because it's the same price for all of them. Save product template. And there you go. Now we have our unisex tank top right there. And what we are going to do is we are going to link that with our big cartel. Alright, here we go. It finally was able to send the email. I saw the notification. So it might take you around 5-ish minutes. That was me. And now, since we have the email confirmed, we can finally connect your store. So choose your storage platform. As we can see over here, this is the big cartel icon. So choose platform. And now we go over here, connect big cartel. Now we can choose connect big cartel. Allow. And here we go. Now it's being synchronized. Done. Your big cartel store is now linked. So we have the protein tank top right here. This is what we are going to link, what the product template we just had. So if we go to product templates, click the 3 dots, and then add to store, we can do this now. Now we have all the colors that we want. They all look pretty good. Proceed to mockups. And now this is the photo that will be displayed on the store. So you can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to choose asphalt because I think that's the one that looks the coolest. And you could choose if it's a man mockup or a woman mockup. I'm choosing the man. And have it be a JPEG because we don't need this to be a PNG. And proceed to details. The sizing guide. I just add metric. It makes it look better. And it's under tank tops. That's good. Proceed to pricing. And here is where we can see the profit margin and how much it's going to cost us to sell it. Now, I'm going to keep the 2XL there just because we can get more sales, but it's going to cost about $2 more. but we don't want people to pay more, so we're just going to keep it at 21. And actually, let's just have everything at 20. I'm not trying to scam people out here. And submit to store. Now, what that does actually is we don't even need to have a different thing or make a different product thing over here, because as we can see, unisex tank top shows up over here and it has the photo, and we can change the description to what we had before. Just Control C that, go back to products, leave, I don't care. Control V. And we're going to keep this here just so people know what it's made out of. And yeah, when people go and choose what they want, they can see all the different colors and all the different sizes. It looks like a lot, but it's fine. And add shipping to that. Let's do $5 again. Oh, that's 500. 5.0. There we go. Country, United States. I don't know why it's doing that. Can't see it. And save. So I've only done this a few times, so I didn't know that Printful actually makes a new one. So we can just go over here and actually delete this if you want to. More actions, delete product. And there we go. Now it's deleted. And actually, if we go, let's try this out. www.routine.bigcartel.com. See, it's in maintenance mode, but this is how it looks right now. Now, I'm not going to go into details about how to customize it and all that, because you can just play around with this and you'll find out how. But you can do a lot of different things with this. See, straight off the bat, it looks professional. You could go home, contact, products, and they could submit something. It's very good looking. And now, I'm not going to add any more products. I'm going to later, because I'm going to make some designs. And if you want a tutorial on how to make different designs for products, you can let me know. I like more of the simplistic ones, but this one over here, I just thought it looked cool. And let's go into the account. See, you can go over here and add a custom domain if you want to. And here is where you can customize the design of your shop. Now, this is going to be the very simple version. Or maybe not, it's very complex. We can go slideshow, we can choose all the different colors. I'm going to work on this all later. I just want this to look nice. And if you want to buy the merch, you already know the website. And billing and get paid. This is a very important part, because without this, your shop's not going to work because no one can buy anything. So set up your payment options. You can use PayPal or Stripe. If you have a debit card, you can make a PayPal account. And basically, you just go over here and you do that. And I'm not going to do that. And that's where I'm going to end off today's video. So if you guys want to know more about Big Cartel, if you want to know about how to make different products, you can see all these different varieties. There's even name brand like Champion. See, Champion bags. So it's not just for clothing, it's for pretty much anything. So if you want to learn more about that, just comment down below or give it a thumbs up. And hope you guys have a good rest of your day.